Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the DHCP lookup failed. So hopefully this should be a pretty quick resolution to your problem, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. You want to make sure you have your Wi-Fi passcode nearby, because once we select reset now, we're going to restart our computer and you will need that password upon booting back into Windows. So go ahead and select reset now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select yes. So click on close, and you want to go restart your system at this point. So at this point, select your network sharing settings over here on the right, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.